DJI might be about to do it again. If the latest leaks are accurate, the DJI Avata 360 could completely change how aerial footage is captured, and today we're breaking down what the camera quality could actually look like. Because a 360 drone is only as good as the footage it produces. Online chatter suggests DJI is working on a drone that combines a full 360-degree camera with a dedicated forward-facing lens. That's a big deal. Traditional 360 drones usually struggle with soft details, weird motion blur, stitching issues, and painful editing workflows. DJI seems to be aiming directly at those problems. Leaks coming out of Chinese platforms point to some very serious specs. We're talking 8K at 60 frames per second, HDR support, and DJI's latest image processing pipeline. If that's true, it means sharper footage, better dynamic range, and much cleaner results in both bright skies and dark terrain. And that's where most 360 drones fall apart. The big question is image quality. If DJI applies its Air and Mini series color science here, we could see natural colors, strong contrast, and minimal noise, even during fast FPV-style movement. The rumored standalone single-lens camera could also allow creators to switch to NON 360 footage when they want maximum sharpness, no reframing, no crop loss. That's huge. Stabilization is another key factor. Leaks suggest DJI is combining electronic stabilization with internal horizon leveling, designed specifically for aggressive flight. That could mean smooth cinematic motion without the nausea-inducing wobble that 360 drones are known for. If DJI nails this, FPV-style cinematic shots become way more accessible. Editing is where this drone could really stand out. One-tap editing, automatic subject tracking, and instant reframing could drastically cut post-production time. Instead of hours of stitching and tweaking, creators could go from flight to upload in minutes. That's a game changer. With a rumored starting price around $489, the Avata 360 could be the most affordable way to get high-quality immersive aerial footage. If DJI delivers even half of what's being rumored, this might be one of the most important drone launches in years. So what do you think? Would you trust a 360 camera on a drone like this, or are you sticking with traditional FPV? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.